And I'm so mad I'm just now finding this out. Oh! So won't you say my name, say my name. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then hey girl, go ahead and make yourself comfortable because you're family now. On this channel, we talk about all things beauty, that's hair, makeup, and sometimes I might throw in a little vlog or two. Today, we gonna discuss about what's in this bag, okay honey? I went to Sephora and kind of went on a little splurge. It was a part of my little gift, so I was like, okay, let me buy the things that I've been wanting to get, try out, mostly for my kit. But some of the things that I purchased are for me, but a lot of things I purchased are for my kid because I feel like I barely wear makeup nowadays. I mean, I'm wearing it now because I recorded this look, by the way, for you guys. This is my Valentine's Day look. If you're inspired or you want to see how I got this look, then click the link up above. So let's get into this haul, honey. Let me show y'all what I got. It's so crazy how long this receipt is, but a lot of this stuff, honestly, from here it's just like crap. Like the survey and the beauty insider told me I have 2,000 points. So we're gonna do skin first because I kind of bought a little bit of everything. Just a little bit. First, I copped two, well actually I bought 3 eye creams. One is for my kid, one is for me, well 2 is for me actually. So I interchange between these 2 eye creams. It's really based on how I feel, you know, that day, or like what issue I'm having with my eyes that morning determines, or I might switch and interchange it with like morning and night. But my go-to eye cream has been the Inky List. Baby. Chef kiss. This is a caffeine eye cream. It's best for tired eyes, which I have that. I'm always tired because I barely get sleep. It helps to reduce the appearance of tired eyes, and it just helps treat that area. Let me make sure this is the right one too, because honestly I'm like, is this it? The guy just showed it to me, but I don't know if this is it, because the one I have has a little, this is not it. This is not it. So I gotta take this back. I'm so mad. I should have brought it with me. And I'm so mad I'm just not finding this out. Oh! So I'm taking this one back. This is not the one that I want. I literally told him. I said, I want the one with the ball on it. And this is what he gave me. I'm gonna have to go in my bathroom, and I literally just threw my last one out. I'm gonna go in the bathroom later and see if it's still in the trash. Actually, I'm about to go right now because I need to show y'all which one I'm talking about. That one is my favorite. I've never tried this. I don't want to try it because I already like what I like, okay? And I know it works for me. So I'm finna go because I literally just put it in the trash this morning because I'm like, I got a new one, you know? I'm gonna show y'all. Hold on. This is the right one that I'm talking about. This is a brightening eye cream. It's an instant illumination and long-term brightening. And I swear, this is what I use because I literally have darkness underneath my eyes while I look tired. I've never tried this one with the caffeine. I'm sure it's probably great. I'm just not willing to try out. Listen, I've tried so many eye creams and this one is so amazing. Like, it has this little silver prong thing that I literally just roll it up against underneath my eye and it helps. Like, y'all see there's nothing in here. This thing is like gone. She's gone. I'm a little upset about that, but that's okay because I have another eye cream. Right now I'm currently using this eye cream because I ran out of this, so I re-picked this up. It's a oldie but goodie, and like low-key I totally just forgot about it because you know how it is when you start using different products. It's all these new things that kind of just fog your mind and make you forget some of the things that you love. That is how it is with me in this next product, which is the Kiehl's creamy eye treatment with avocado. This is my like holy grail all time. This is like an OG product. If you haven't used Kiehl's products before. They're amazing. If you haven't used this specific product before, please come from under the rock, baby, because this eye cream is amazing. I really love this. Even on mature skin, I use this in my kit. This is one of the essential things that I use to prep up the skin. I always use an eye cream, so I kind of like battle in between the creams that I want to use, but since I ran out of eye creams, this have been my little go-to. This is for my kit, and a little go a long way. That's what I love. It's like an instant hydration, boost of hydration. It literally just like brightens and smooths. It smooths out everything. It looks so good. Every time I put this on somebody, they be like, what is that? Instantly they be like, I don't know what you did, but the first thing, yeah, I need that. Yeah, and that is what it is. So yeah, I love Kiehl's for this product. Like yeah, chef kiss. Now we're gonna kind of like segue our way into makeup. This is my first time trying this product. I've heard so many good reviews. I've seen really good results, like as far as like makeup wise. It looks so good in pictures. Photography wise, it looks so good. So I was like, let me try it. It's skincare, but it's not skincare because it's foundation, and that's gonna be the Haus Lab by Lady Gaga. I recently picked this up. I'm in the tone 480 medium deep neutral. I haven't tried it yet, but even though I know there's a million reviews about this foundation, they ain't me. All right, so y'all gonna get my little 2 cents regardless, even if you didn't ask for it. So, but yeah, no, for real, they're not me. So I want to try it, and I want to try to get my opinion about this foundation and how I feel like it wear. I'm more than likely gonna do a wear test and wear it all day. I'm probably gonna do that tomorrow actually. I also bought, which is like absurd, Keisha, why did you go in Sephora and buy 2 foundations? I don't understand, you only got one. Well, that's because they're 2 different foundations, 2 different brands, and this one is newer. This is by Makeup by Mario. This is the Surreal foundation. Just came out. I recently did a review on this, which you can check it out. Click the link above if you want to see how I feel about this. So this foundation have Instagram and TikTok going crazy. The girlies love it. Some people don't. To each his own. If you want to know my thoughts and opinions about this foundation, then watch that video. I'll tell you all about it, girl. I'm in the shade 22C though, if you are looking for reference. As far as like what tone, I always say go in and try it, test it. That's how I found out my skin tone is just by color matching on my neck, and if it matches the neck, then it's for you, period. Unless your neck is darker than your face and vice versa, but even then you gotta kind of match something to something. I picked up this Natasha Denona, what is it called? Glam Face Palette, Eye and Cheek Essential. I got this in light. I wanted to get it in dark, but the store didn't have it. Sephora was all sold out, so I wasn't able to, but at least I have my hands on the light. I'm obsessed with this palette. I kind of use a little bit of the shimmers on my lid. It kind of sucks that the camera isn't picking it up as much as I want y'all to see it, but nevertheless, it still look good. This palette is for my kit. This is how it looks. I've been scraping out of it because that's how I use palettes with creams. I'm trying to open it. I just dug in it. Oh my god, trying to open it. Oh my god, look what I did, y'all. Look what I did just now. That's okay, it's a cream product, so I'm just gonna press that right back on down. It's okay. This is again my work palette, so it don't matter. Oh my god, but look how that look though. I'm gonna show y'all on my hand so y'all can see. Isn't that such a pretty peachy, pinky, natural color? It is so freaking pretty. I love the cream portion of it. It literally mimics skin. I put it on my coworker. She's more fair skin tone, so it looks so good on her. I was like, oh my god, I need this in the dark palette for myself. What made me really get this out of the other shadows and stuff she had were these shadows, and I love how the mattes are neutral mattes and not warm. A lot of palettes, a lot of my palettes at least, and sometimes it's you need that cooler tone for like certain skin tones. Like if I have someone that's really fair like Snow White in my chair, like I can't put a brown that has orange on her because it's gonna look crazy. I need more of these like cool tones. This palette is just so freaking pretty, so amazing. I definitely would recommend it. Even this highlight is so pretty. Let me swatch it so y'all can see it on my, ooh girl, look at that. I love hair. I'm about to swatch. Yes, yes, I love how it just looks wet. This one is the highlight. This is the highlight I just put on me, and it's so pretty and just so freaking, oh my god. And then this is the darker, one of the darker colors. Hopefully y'all can see it as good, because I got these checker box things on my screen so I can't see. Oh my god, it's so pretty. This color here, the one I just swatched, that's the one I just swatched. It's so freaking pretty. I can't wait to start using this palette more. I also have the Mario matte browns palette. It's in my kit. That one, I love it. It's a very pretty neutral. Some of the colors kind of still come up more warm on like really fair skin. Like I need like almost gray sometimes. So I also bought this blush from Sephora. It's called Flirt It Up. I seen another makeup artist use this color on someone that's like a couple of shades lighter than me, maybe. She was like, yeah, like a shade or two, and it looked pretty. So I was like, I'll use this on my kit or in my kit. I don't know what it's gonna look like on me, and I'm almost like wanting to try it, but I don't want to mess up my makeup. So I'm gonna put it here. Oh, it's so soft. So these are pretty affordable, so I didn't care. Oh, that's pretty though. This is pretty. I low-key want, I'm about to try to put it on a little bit, because I know this will look good on top of Happy. Like, I know this will look good on top of Happy. I'm probably gonna keep this too. Somebody's on my kit. I could buy more of these. These are pretty. Ooh. Ooh, that's actually pretty. Okay, let's do it on this side. Yeah, I knew this would go so well with Happy. Yes, this is a pretty matte. It's a matte blush. Long lasting, colorful matte. That's what it's called. And again, it's in the color Flirt It Up. And there's another one that I want to get, but they were out. Once I get it, I'm gonna let y'all know which one. But I just put a little bit on and it still look good. I think I'm gonna keep this for myself. I'm talking about, it's for my kid, it's for my kid, everything. I'm like, I think I'm gonna keep that. That's how it's been for even these 3 products. So these products I bought from Sephora as well. Honestly, I bought these back in November.
Probably more September. For that is spring, summer.
But yeah, I bought these a while ago. I love them. This is what I was using at first before the Mario just came into my life. I was gonna do a review about this though. It's the NARS Soft Reflecting. So I bought these all in the same time, but I never got to actually do a review. So I guess we can kind of put these in, not a review, or like, I just never talked about it. So I guess we can kind of put these in the collection of things that I bought from Sephora as my haul, because why not? I mean, I got it all from Sephora and just not at the same time. The other stuff I recently bought, but this, yeah. And I can actually talk about these products. The Nessamatics is bomb. I said I was gonna put it in my kit, but it's still here. I've been using Natasha Canvas. This is another older goodie. That's why I get it in a small. I like to keep it in my kit. I like to get small things for my kit because I don't like to carry heavy stuff. And then the NARS Soft Reflecting is my favorite. Both of these are my favorite. I have not paired either one together. I have not tried any of that. Like, I normally would throw on the Nessa if I'm going to school. I'm like trying to run it if I put on makeup, because honestly I don't put on makeup when I'm going to school a lot, especially when I had clinicals. Girl, bye. That's pretty much it. I've showed y'all everything, even the things that, you know, wasn't supposed to be in this. I showed that to y'all as well. So this is my little haul. So yeah, if you found this video to be informative, or if there are any things within this haul that I have that you already have and you like, girl, I love this product, or if there's any products that you want to try, let me know down below. And I maybe have tried it already and I'm like, I want to know. I just want to know what y'all be bad too. Okay, because I'm nosy. I don't go in Sephora a lot, but when I do, I buy. Thank you so much for watching this video. As always, until next time, deuces.